let me introduce you to my teammates. I'm Amini, and there's Akriti Sharma, and B Pavan, Athar, and Vishal. We are from CSCA third year, and now I'll tell you the motto of this club, like why we have started. I've told you like the main reason behind starting it, and yeah, the process Akriti is going to explain you, and statistics, and followed by it will be done by Athar and Pavan and Vishal. Yeah. So, do you have any doubts regarding this club? Like, people were posting queries on Instagram that is it a totally coding club, or is it I mean, will we only code in this club? So basically, initially the starting thing would be you learning how to code like any programming language, be it C, Python, or uh, uh, Java, or anything. Like, we have a specific domains. I mean, suppose I'm good at Python and my core team member, suppose Vishal is good with C++, he'll be teaching you in that. You'll form groups, and then firstly you need to clear the basics, and then we can go to HTML, CSS, or anything AI based concepts. It'll go with time. Okay? Oh, okay. I guess I'm clear with this. And then that is the main purpose and motto for we starting this club. Uh, Next slide. And this is a formal presentation. We wanted to make it in a PPT, or else it could have been interactive had we been in college. And then yeah, I told you the purpose, right? That's what we are trying to explain you, that would play an important role, especially for you to understand. Like, by the time you will be reaching second year in your second, for computer science students, I'm telling you, in your second year, second sem, you'll be having one subject called DA, that is data analysis and algorithms. You'll be learning only algorithms. You need to know how to implement it once you go to competitive programming. So we don't want you guys to face that, which we are facing right now. I mean, we could have done it in more previously, but then we started it late. So we don't want you guys to face that, and not just computer science engineering. Nowadays, coding has taken an important part in even the core engineering branches. That is, be it mechanical, even the biggest of the biggest companies, core based, that is L&T, be it L&T or MTX or any other companies, would ask coding. I mean, little bit of coding along with uh, your core based skills. And then now we are in the digital era. You see the richest man on earth. He's trying to put chips in the brain only to change signs, and then healthcare systems. Everything is automating just to go in pace, or just to get into par with what the current world is. It's just a baby step. And then even this code hub would be a baby step. That is, like, we'll go step by step, then we could achieve something. And then first learning the programming languages basics, and then creating projects, then participating in hackathons. Akriti will explain you that in a better way. So that is the process. I'll switch it on to Akriti.
Okay. Vinny. So now you guys know why there had to be a club on coding. So I'll take you through what we are going to do in as a part of this club. And yeah, so these, like, we have segregated it into different points. I'm going to let you know that. Also, when we asked a question, like, we put up a question on Instagram asking you guys about like any queries you have, and some of them asked us that what is the main theme, or what are you going to provide us with this club. So that is what we're going to answer you now. So the first thing is mentoring students about emerging technologies. So you learn, like, we'll tell you what those emerging technologies are in the future slides. So when, as she already told, that when we were in the first and second years, we did not know much about it. Though we had subjects, we had, like, it's that we had not taken it seriously, or we were not taught it properly. So we are going to mentor you. There's an advantage because you're going to learn them beforehand, like as she told about DA. So we are the first year students, whoever have joined this meeting, they'd not be knowing much about it, but we are going to mentor you from now on, so that by the time you come to the second year, you'll at least have some idea. I'm not saying full-fledged knowledge about it, but then you'll get to know what it is. So it'll be easier for you to understand. So we'll basically mentor you, and it's not that we are just going to teach you and you're going to listen. It's not like one of those courses where you pay money and you just access those videos and all. It's going to be completely interactive. You can ask us doubts, we'll clarify, and we'll make it interactive basically. And the second one is conducting workshops on different fields in computer science. So as it is Code Hub, a lot of people asked, is it only coding? Well, I'd not say it is completely coding. We are going to conduct workshops in problem solving and all. And problem solving is, not like whenever you attend any interview, be it not only CSC, EC, and all, there are certain written tests which you have to pass and all. So for that, we can mentor you for those. So we are going to conduct various workshops in the fields of computer science, and then forming groups for projects. So like now we are in the third year and we are searching for projects, where back then when we were in first and second year, we did not really think much about doing a project. You have minor, major, and all. So we are now starting afresh, thinking of what we have to be doing. But we our purpose to start this club is anyone who's a part of this club, by the time you come to your third year, we want you to be tension free. We want you to have those skills which maybe we could not have by the time we were in third year. So you could have it, and then you can we are going to form and make you do various small projects and all. By the time you come to third year, you can form your own groups and make good projects. Next slide. Yeah, conducting coding competitions and hackathons. So we will see to it that as a part of being in this club, we conduct various hackathons in the college level, also state, and represent the college at state and national level. So we have various hackathons. Also, I don't know about the first years, but by the time you come to second years, there are so many like messages which are forwarded that there is this hackathon, there is that hackathon, and not a lot of people register to it. When back then when I was in second year, even I did not register, thinking they're going to be tough and all. So from now on, if we train you for attending hackathons or doing normal coding competitions and all, by the time you are in the third or fourth year, there'll be a store of hackathons which you must have attended and you will be able to do. So there are so many like Google Hash Code, and then there are hackathons like
Uh, okay, guys, can you hear me? Like, I guess we lost Akriti.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
can hear you.
Okay, so guys, let me take you through the statistics of what programming languages and what are the trends which followed in the past decade, and what will emerge in the next decade. And like 2021 is the year, and then we have till 2030. So what are the upcoming skills and what are the in-demand skills, as you can see. So a huge chunk of the pie is taken by ML and AI, that is machine learning and artificial intelligence. You walk into any conference, any room full of computer scientists, the hype is all about ML and AI. आप लोग भी सुनते होंगे लाइक मशीन लर्निंग है, मशीन लर्निंग, एआई, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, छोटे छोटे बच्चे are doing ML and AI. So that takes almost 30% of the in-demand skills. Uh, Data scientists, data analytics, machine learning engineers are all in demand. And the most top paid skills are, of course, those only. Then comes data structures. Okay, so data structure is a important topic as it'll help you in your recruitment drives. For example, if you're applying to a company, be it Amazon, Google, TCS, be it any company, they will basically ask on data structures. Data structures is also a subject in second as well as third year, and I hope you'll be good at it by this club. Then comes other subjects like Android development. You have phones, like you can build apps for phones. We have team members who can teach you that. Then we have web development, the websites you visit, or anything related to the web is through web development. Then databases are there, and your normal subjects like operating systems and computer networks are also there. So these are the in-demand skills, and many of them we are going to teach you in the coming days. But before that, we need to teach you the basics of it, like introduce you to programming. Many of the first years who are new to coding. Like I was also new to coding. I did not have any experience in class 11th or 12th. So they need a proper introduction to coding, like how to install things or how to run a Python program, or like starts from the baby steps. Then we'll get into data structures, ML and AI, and uh, like as my previous teammate said, ki, by the time you're in third year or you're in fourth year, you'll be very comfortable with all these topics, and hopefully you clear all the interviews. Okay, next slide. I'll give it over to Vishal.
Okay, hello. Can you guys hear me right? Okay, like Athar discussed in the previous slide, those are the technologies which are in demand right now. So basically, if you want to learn any of those technologies, these are the building blocks for each of them. Like if you want to learn machine learning, it's not just you attend classes and it's done. No, it's not like that. You have to learn Python first, then the libraries related to machine learning like NumPy, Pandas, etc. And under development, you can go with any of Flutter or Kotlin. Flutter is in demand right now, so that would be better. And web development has its own building blocks like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. And DS Algo, obviously, it's not a simple topic. It's very vast. Like it starts from simple data structures to it goes till trees and etc. Next. Okay, this is a saying by Mark Zuckerberg. Programming is like any other sport. You might know the rules, but you have to play to learn. Yeah, like we all know, right? There are many sports and they all have rules. So it's not like you are better at the game just by knowing the rules in that game, right? So it's similar, like it is same in the programming. Like if you know the syntaxes and how to write coding, it's not just you are good at the language. You have to practice the problem solving. If you don't solve problems, what is the use of coding language anyway? So that's the saying. Next slide. Yeah, any question, shoot it in the chat box. Thank you.
And it just won't be us, guys. Sorry for interrupting. I mean the entire CSC group, and we'll have our seniors we'll be having our seniors with us too. That is, currently we have our 4th year senior, that is Nandu, and then everybody will be helping you out. It's not just us. Basically, you'll have domains. I told you as in the beginning, like you'll have different people helping you out in different your different interests. But for that, the basic thing is you have to learn how to code, at least in any one programming language properly, not just knowing the basics, but then in at least going to the intermediate or the advanced step. So any questions you can please ask. Every one of us are here to answer you so that we can clear your doubts what this club is about.
Guys, you can ask the questions in the chat box, or you can just
You can
unmute
put your
yourself and
voice.
ask.
And yeah, we will start once. Actually, the thing is, we wanted to conduct this session online, like offline. I mean, offline in the placement cell. But then there was a clash of alternative days. Like we are the A section, we can't find the B section coming on that day. Sunday is the only day which would cater to both the sections. So once it becomes regular, we will definitely conduct workshops, or we'll start conducting mentoring sessions on the weekend, like maybe it's Saturday or Friday. But for now, we will be doing it online. We'll be giving you assignments for 1 week. If you have taught you a concept, we'll be giving you assignments, be it HackerRank or HackerEarth. It's your choice. And you are expected to do. Okay, so how many of you are acquainted to programming? Like you can answer. You guys know programming? Any one of you in the group? Like anybody knowing about programming, what programming is? Competitive programming.
Just
What are the
put a
trends?
yes in the chat box, like yes, I know Python, or yes, C, Java, something like that.
Answer, you can definitely unmute yourself and talk.
Or you want to share something? Somebody was playing
Yeah.
songs. I guess he can say something.
Yeah, definitely you can say.
Yeah,
He
we
changed.
would love to hear someone singing.
He is familiar with Python. Sundaram. Okay, nice. You can unmute yourself. You can talk. What do you know about Python?
If you're texting something, put it in the group, like to everyone. Like, okay, I got it.
Yes. Sundaram says, Harsha says that he knows C++ and data structures. Wow. Please unmute yourself, Harsha. You'll be an exam. You can be an example for your teammates. And then Python and C language basics. Very good. I didn't read this name. Wait, read your name out. Shiva Reddy says he knows C language basics. Okay, very good. So how many of you are from first year over here? Like from the first year, 1-1.
Okay, people are raising their hands.
Okay, there are people. I can't see anything.
Okay, somebody says they don't know any that is the reason we have formed this club. So you can be tension free.
That
We
is
assure you that by the next year
Krishna. It's totally
you'll
fine.
surely know basics. Okay, a lot of people from first year.
Okay, there are people from first year. You guys can talk, tell whatever you know. You want to share a good fact, like a trending fact. We are here to listen. We'll end the session in the next 5 to 10 minutes. C language, Mithun Kumar. Okay, nice. You'll have people to mentor you in the C language too. Like there are people in our class. There are your seniors will be helping you. When we are going to have mentoring classes, as we have just entered in the second year. Yes, I didn't read your name out, whoever it is. We will start, I told you, like I said, we thought of starting the sessions offline, but then our college, it won't be possible for both the sections together and for everybody. And since your mid exams are commencing from 22nd of this month, and juniors have also come too, we will do it in the next 1 week, one and a half week we'll conduct 2 to 3 classes, and that will be online mostly. And then the next part is segregation of people into groups too. We look into that. That's not your part. So we will start it in the coming week. Okay. Any other doubts?
Guys, if you have any ideas on how this group should proceed, or you have any notions about us, how we should do it like further, you can just put it in the text. Bhai, I want this to happen in our club, because it is the first time we guys have come up and opened a club. So we're not very experienced with like how to manage or how to go forward with the club. If you have any ideas, just put it. Otherwise, we are there. Like we'll try our best.
Yeah, we are open for suggestions as well.
I want competitive coding test at least 1 per week so that it will improve our implementation. Definitely, Harsha, definitely. We want that. For which I said we will be giving you tasks. Once your basics are clear, we will be giving you tasks. So don't worry about it. You can, that is your choice on which coding platform you want to do, be it HackerRank, LeetCode, HackerEarth. Competitive programming's purpose is that, so we will do that. That will be done per week, as you said. We will do it per week. And then you are expected to finish the targets too. It should be from both sides, not just one side. That is for everyone, not just for you. So any other doubts?
Better
Honest things. Okay. Yeah, it is better to teach offline, but then like as I told, now we are going online. You want suggestions for exams and all? I guess it's engineering. I mean, it's the same thing for everybody is what I feel. I mean, me and my friends. So I gave my opinion. You can take it from my friends too. Akriti, you can tell. Managing studies, it's a part of engineering. You have to have fun, live your life, because you get these 4 years again. Yeah, you will be taught all the basics. The one who asked about basics, not all programming languages.
Someone speaking.
One programming language is needed.
See,
For
guys,
you,
there are more than 100 programming languages, so we can't teach basics of all, right? So we'll start with Python, which is by far the easiest language to learn. C is has been taught to you in the first year, right? So Python you won't touch until third year. We'll go with Python because it's the most user friendly and like easy to learn language.
Student friendly also.
and C++ should be added too, because for the current generation, statistics are also shifting from Python to C++. Both are object oriented. So better than C, C++, and Python are preferred in competitive coding.
Pawan, if you could just take off the PPT, we can have a grid view of all the participants and like we'll take a pic
Hmm.
with
You can
everybody's
switch.
video on. Yeah, you can switch on your videos. We just want to take a pic. Like at least we can see your faces. We're not there in the college all the time.
Yeah, you know, someone asked for offline, so if you can switch on your video, that'd be fine.
Yeah, guys, if any other languages to be taught, I told you, like I told you in the beginning, there are many people in our class who will be teaching. Like there is Aniket, Dinesh, and all. They will be good with Java. I mean, people are working with different languages: JavaScript, Java, C++. So it is your interest totally. Majority of us are from Python, and like few of us are from C++, and there are people from for Java and C too. Don't go back, don't step back with your interests. You can definitely tell. You told us in the Google forms, so we got the statistics, but still I'm telling you, when we'll be contacting you directly, don't step back when we ask you which language do you want to learn.
So guys, like before you end the
No, I'm not
meeting, I
enough.
just wanted to say just one quick thing. So there are two things you will take away from any club. First thing is you will learn something, and the second thing is you will meet great people. So which happened to me in every other club that I joined. We previously had clubs like this, but the college didn't give us enough support and all. But at least these guys took an initiative and started again. I hope they will do better this time with all the ideas and influence and all the knowledge they have. I think it will really help you. The thing is, it should be both ways. You should not be see, no one will judge you. We just want you to learn, and even we are not perfect. We will teach you anything that we know, and in exchange, like we can ask you something that we don't know. Now it should be both ways. So just feel free and ask anything that you want.
Thank you,
Thank
Nandu
you.
Bhaiya. He's
Thank you,
in the
Bhaiya.
fourth year
Thank
and
you.
he takes Android development.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
in
actually
our
like
college.
both platforms. I code on Android and iOS both using this framework called Flutter, and I'm currently learning web development because, like I told you, even I don't know everything, but the things that I know, I'll definitely try to help you guys with all the resources that I have. And uh, at any time, you can just text me or call me. I'll be most happy to help you out, guys.
Thank you, Nandu Bhaiya.
Okay, guys, anything to say? Like we're going to end this.
Yeah, it's fine. See, we are asking others, anybody who wants to switch their videos on and ask any doubts in, like to us. Be confident, guys. You will be seeing us. We'll be seeing you in college. It's just us, like just the students. There's no faculty over
Like
here.
we see you working every day. Why can't you just switch on your video like right here? It's the same thing, right?
You have to be more like active. How will you ask your doubts if you have any doubts in competitive coding or any doubts? Will you come up with your doubts? Like now we are doubting you. You're not able to switch your video on or unmute yourself and talk. Will you ask doubts in the future? Like, will you ask us doubts, or it'll be only one-way session we giving you? Do this, do this, do this. It'll be boring for both of us, like for you guys as well as us. That is not the motive of this club, right? And you have to take this on. We will leave in a year, like probably in the next 10 months. You
We are
won't be
in third
seeing
year
us
right
anymore.
now. So by the end of the fourth year, we leave. You guys have to take this next session to the juniors. So like be prepared and all.
We just started this. Like we'll give you the mic. Like we'll let you walk our way, and then you have to take this to your juniors. So you have to be active and supportive. Okay. Okay.
Chalo, theek hai,
Fine.
we'll
Then we'll
end
be.
this. Thank you, guys. If you have any
Right.
doubts or suggestions, please text in the group.